मज़ीद एजुकेशनल एंड जॉब्स अपडेट्स के लिए हमारे चैनल पैगाम सिंध ऑफिशियल को सब्सक्राइब और लाइक करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें। शुक्रिया।
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you guys are doing well. Okay, so today we are here with the 6th class science notes which are taken from the synth textbook board. Our table of content includes 12 chapters and we will be discussing all of them one on one. Chapter number 1: Cellular Organization of Plants and Animals. Number 1: Microscope is an instrument which helps us to see very small things which are not visible to the naked eye. Number 2: Ocular lens or eyepiece magnifies the image many times. Number 3: Body tube of the microscope maintains the distance between eyepiece and objective lens. Number 4: Objective lenses are magnifying power lenses found in low power to high power. Number 5: Diaphragm of microscope controls the amount of light. Number 6: Cell is the building block of life. Number 7: Cell is the unit of structure and function of all living things. Number 8: Every part of the body has its own type of cells. For example, in plants, conducting cells are different from photosynthetic cells. Number 9: Outermost covering of plant cell have cell wall. Number 10: Cell wall is hard and protects cell. Number 11: Outermost cover in animal cell is cell membrane or plasma membrane. Number 12: Animal cell have no cell wall. Number 13: Cell membrane is present under cell wall in plant cells. Number 14: Cell membrane is a living membrane. Number 15: Cell membrane controls the movements of materials in and out of the cell. Number 16: Cytoplasm is thick and viscous liquid. Number 17: Cytoplasm fills the space between nucleus and cell membrane. Number 18: Mitochondria is the powerhouse of cell. Number 19: Mitochondria involves in energy production. Number 20: Vacuole is sac-like structure which store waste materials for some time before removes from the body. Number 21: Nucleus controls all activities of cell. Number 22: Animal cell has two centrioles which are involved in cell division. Number 23: Plant cell has chloroplast which contains green pigment called chlorophyll, help in photosynthesis. Number 24: Bacterium divides in every 20 minutes. Number 25: Plant cell have on large vacuole but animal cell have many small vacuoles. 26: Plant cell have no centrioles. Number 27: Plant cell have nucleus at one side but animal cell have nucleus in the center of cell. Number 28: Organism made of one cell is called unicellular. Those with many cells are called multicellular organisms. Number 29: Unicellular organisms are amoeba, Paramecium, Euglena, Chlamydomonas, etc. Number 30: Microscope can help to see amoeba clearly. Number 31: These cells which perform the same function combine together to form tissue. Our muscle and blood are example of tissues. Number 32: Mesophyll is a type of tissue. Number 33: Photosynthetic cell group together to form mesophyll tissues. Number 34: Xylem and phloem are conducting tissues. Number 35: Xylem conduct water and phloem conduct food. Number 36: A branch on a stem is a part of shoot system. Number 37: Different tissues work together and form organ. Examples are lungs, heart, liver, eye, stomach, etc. Number 38: Roots, leaves, flowers are organs of plants. Number 39: Many organs work together to form system. Mouth, stomach, small intestine, liver work together form digestive system. Number 14. Basic organization of a multicellular organism is from cell to tissue, tissue to organ, and from organ to organ system, and then an organism. Number 41. Heart and blood vessels make circulatory system. Number 42. Nose, windpipe and lungs make respiratory system. Number 43. Excretory system used for removal of waste materials. Number 44. Digestive system is responsible for the transport of digested food. Number 45. Brain control the body just like nucleus controls the activity of cell. Chapter number 2. Sense organs. Number 1. There are 5 sense organs: eye, nose, ear, tongue and skin. Number 2. All senses depend on nervous system. Number 3. Receptor cells are present in the sense organs. Number 4. We can sense different stimuli due to sense organs. Number 5. Our sense organ work when something stimulates our nerve cells. Number 6. Eye consists of eyeballs, which is hollow and spherical. Number 7. Eyeball is placed in a bony cavity of skull. Number 8. Eye is protected by eyelid. Number 9. Eye consists of 3 coats: A. Sclerotic, B. Choroid, C. Retina. Number 10. Sclerotic is outer white part of eye. Number 11. Sclerotic coat protects inner part of eye. Number 12. Each time you blink, you shut your eyes for 0.3 seconds, which means your eyes are closed at least 30 minutes a day. Number 13. Sclerotic layer bulges in front to form thin and transparent structure called cornea. Number 14. Under the cornea is a colored area called iris. Number 15. The iris has small opening called pupil. Number 16. Behind pupil lens is present. Number 17. Lens is attached to muscle. Number 18. Choroid is the middle layer of the eye and black in color. Number 19. Retina is the innermost of eye. Number 20. In eye, sensory cells are located on retina. Number 21. Image is formed on retina. Number 22. Light from external object passes to the retina. Thus, the image of object is formed on retina. Number 23. This image is upside down and smaller than object. Number 24. In the brain, the upside down image of object is made upright. Number 25. Ear is the organ of hearing. Number 26. Hearing is helped by auditory nerve. Number 27. Ear consists of outer ear, middle ear and inner ear. Number 28. Outer ear consists of pinna and a canal. Number 29. Pinna catches the sound waves and sends it to canal. Number 30. The inner opening of this canal is closed by a membrane called eardrum. Number 31. Middle ear has 3 bones which are small, carry sound waves from the eardrum to the inner ear. Number 32. Inner ear consists of 3 semicircular canals in coiled structure called cochlea. Number 33. Cochlea has sensory cells. Number 34. Sensory nerve carries sound waves from cochlea towards brain. Number 35. Vibration of eardrum is due to sound waves. Number 36. Inner ear help in maintaining balance of body. Number 37. Auditory nerves carry sound waves to the brain. Number 38. Senses of touch and temperature are present in the skin. Number 39. Skin has touch and temperature sensitive cells which are connected to the brain by nerves. Number 40. These touch cells feel the sensation of hot, cold, hard, soft, rough, or smooth. Number 41. The most sensitive part of body are hands, lips, face, neck, feet, tongue, and fingertips. Number 42. There are 100 touch receptors in each fingertip. Number 43. Nose can tell difference between 4,000 to 10,000 smells. Number 44. Tongue is fleshy and attached to the mouth cavity. Number 45. Taste is the weakest of five senses. Number 46. Taste buds responsible for sweet are present at the tip of tongue. Number 47. Taste buds responsible for bitter are at the back of tongue. Number 48. Taste buds for sour and salty are at sides of tongue. Number 49. We have almost 10,000 taste buds. Number 50. Sensation of smell is detected by cells present in nasal chamber. Chapter number 3. Photosynthesis and respiration in plants. Number 1. Energy is captured from sunlight. Number 2. The light from sun converted into chemical energy or food by the plants. The process is done by the photosynthesis. Number 3. Photosynthesis is a process in which plants prepare their own food in the presence of sunlight, water, chlorophyll, and carbon dioxide. Number 4. Leaves of plants are especially adapted for photosynthesis. Number 5. Leaves have two parts. Number 6. Thin expanded portion of leaves are called lamina or leaf blade and stalk or petiole which hold lamina. Number 7. Leaves have stomata which help in gaseous exchange. Number 8. Leaf internal structure. A. Outermost layer of cell on both sides of leaf are called epidermal cells which are tightly packed. Number B. On lower epidermis, small pores or stomata are present. Number 8. C. Inner to epidermis is mesophyll cell which are present there. D. Conducting cells are also present for transport of the food and water. Number 9. Mesophyll cells contain chlorophyll. Number 10. The small pores or opening in the leaves that take in carbon dioxide is called stomata. Number 11. Low light intensity lowers the rate of photosynthesis. Number 12. In atmosphere, concentration of carbon dioxide ranges from 0.03 to 0.04%. Number 13. 25 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius range of temperature is necessary for photosynthesis. Number 14. The temperature above or below this range slow down the photosynthesis. Number 15. Glucose is converted into starch in leaves. Number 16. Respiration releases energy from sugar. Number 17. Plants give off oxygen during photosynthesis that animals need. Chapter number 4. Environment and interactions. Number 1. Everything that surrounds us is called environment. Number 2. 5th June is celebrated as World Environment Day. Number 3. There are two components of environment, biotic and abiotic. Number 4. Biotic components are living things like plants, animals, bacteria. Number 5. Abiotic components are non-living like sunlight, temperature, wind, soil, water, rainfall, water vapors. Number 6. In an environment, plants are regarded as producers. Number 7. Elements like carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen and magnesium are needed for the preparation of chlorophyll. Number 8. Bacteria that live in the root of legumes enter roots through the root hair. These bacteria help in the formation nodules in the root and bacteria get food from the plant and in turn also fix atmospheric nitrogen into a usable farm for the plants. Number 9. Rainforests are those environments which have abundant rainfall. Climate is warm and humid. Cold period is missing. Number 10. These forests make dense vegetation. Number 11. Soil is rich in decomposed materials and decomposition rate is fast. Number 12. Deserts found in arid region where annual rainfall is less than 250 mm, humidity is low and climate is drier. Number 13. In deserts, decomposition rate is slow due to less availability of plants and animals. Number 14. Thar is an example of desert environment. Number 15. Predation is interaction between predator and prey. Number 16. The predator is an animal which kills the prey and feed on it. Number 17. Lion is regarded as predator. Number 18. A parasite is an organism which lives on the body of other living organism and gets its nourishment from its tissues or harms it. Number 19. The organism on or in which parasite lives is called host. Number 20. The relation between parasite and host is called parasitism. Number 21. One of the example of parasites on human is tapeworm. Number 22. In mutualism, both the partners are mutually benefited and none of them is harmed. For example, in the digestive tract of cow, bacteria find food and shelter while helping in the digestion. In our intestine, bacteria synthesize vitamin for us. Chapter number 5. Atoms, molecules, mixtures and compounds. Number 1. Atoms are building blocks of matter. Number 2. Atom is the smallest particle of matter. Number 3. Atom may or may not exist free in nature. For example, helium and neon can exist in free state while oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen exists in combined state. Number 4. When two or more than two atoms are combining, they form molecule. Number 5. The atoms in a molecule may be same or of different type. Number 6. Molecule exist in free state. Number 7. An element is a pure form of matter. Number 8. Element is composed of only one kind of atom. Number 9. About 118 elements are discovered so far, out of which 92 are found in nature. The remaining are man-made. Number 10. Short name of element is called symbol. Number 11. At room temperature, some elements exist in solid form. For example, silver and copper are some liquids. For example, bromine and mercury. Some are gases. For example, oxygen and hydrogen. Number 12. Elements are classified into metals and non-metals. Number 13. Example of metals are zinc, tin, platinum, gold, silver, iron, etc. Number 14. Metals are solid at room temperature except mercury. Number 15. Metals have high density, luster, malleable, ductile, good conductors, high melting and boiling points. Number 16. Examples of non-metals are sulfur, hydrogen, carbon, silicon, oxygen, nitrogen and phosphorus. Number 17. Non-metals are mostly solid or gases except bromine. Number 18. Non-metals have low density, dull surfaces, non-malleable, non-ductile, low melting and boiling points, bad conductor of heat and electricity except graphite. Number 19. Hydrogen is used for filling weather balloons. Number 20. Magnesium powder is used in flashlight. Aluminium is used in bodies of aeroplanes. Phosphorus is used in matchboxes. Number 23. Mercury used in barometer and thermometer. Number 24. A compound is a matter which is made up of two or more elements in fixed ratios, for example, water. Number 26. Molecules are building blocks of compounds. Number 26. Sodium carbonate is washing soda. Number 27. Sodium hydrocarbonate is baking soda. Number 28. Potassium nitrate used as fertilizer. Number 29. Calcium hydroxide is used in calcium industry. Number 30. Potassium permanganate is used as disinfectant. Number 30. Potassium permanganate is used as disinfectant. Number 31. Magnesium chloride used for filling teeth. Number 32. Bleaching powder used as disinfectant and sterilization of water. Number 33. Compound represented by chemical formula. Number 34. The impure form of matter is called mixture. Number 35. When two or more elements or compounds are physically mixed together in any proportion is called mixture. Number 36. Compound can be separated by chemical methods. Number 37. Mixture can be separated by physical method. Number 38. Air is a mixture of different gases. Number 39. Water is a compound. Number 40. A mixture of sugar and salt is used as ORS. Number 41. Gunpowder, milk, blood, salt and tea is mixture. 42. Carbon dioxide is colorless gas. It is toxic when its conc above 6%, when its concentration is above 6%. Number 43. For separation of mixture, techniques are used such as sublimation, chromatography, filtration, distillation. Number 44. A technique which separates insoluble solid from liquid matter in a mixture of two is called filtration. Sublimation is the separation technique for purification of naphthalene, iodine and ammonium. Chapter number 6. Air. Number 1. As we go higher and higher in atmosphere, the availability of air decreases. Number 2. Air is matter because it occupies space and has weight. Number 3. Air is necessary for burning. Number 4. Air is a mixture of many colorless gases. Number 5. Air consists of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, 0.03% carbon dioxide and less than 1% other gases. Number 6. Nitrogen is colorless and odorless gas. Number 7. Nitrogen is unreactive as compared to oxygen. Number 8. Nitrogen helps to slow down the process of combustion. Number 9. Liquid nitrogen is used as coolant. Number 10. Oxygen is used for producing oxyacetylene, flame for welding and cutting of metals. Number 11. Oxygen is necessary for burning and respiration. Number 12. Liquid oxygen is used as fuel in spaceships. Number 13. Carbon dioxide is also found in volcanic gases. Number 14. Carbon dioxide is heavier than air. Number 15. Carbon dioxide used in fire extinguishers. Number 16. Gaseous carbon dioxide up to cooling to minus 78.5 degrees Celsius directly becomes solid, called dry as ice and used as a refrigerant. Number 17. Carbon dioxide used in urea fertilizers. Number 18. Hydrogen is light gas. Number 19. Noble gases are inactive, therefore also called inert gases. Number 20. Argon is the most abundant. Number 21. Argon used for filling electric bulbs. Number 22. Helium is used along oxygen for artificial respiration by sea divers. Number 23. Neon is used in special electric bulbs called neon sign tubes or neon sign boards. Number 24. Helium and hydrogen are also used in filling balloons. Chapter number 7. Solutions and suspensions. Number 1, a homogeneous mixture of two or more things is called solution. Number 2, sodium chloride is soluble in water. Number 3, sand is insoluble in water. Number 4, a solution is made up of two components, a solvent and a solute. Number 5, a component in excess is called solvent, but the other lesser is called solute. Number 6, a heterogeneous mixture of dissolved solute in a given solvent is called suspension. For example, milk is a suspension. Number 7, the mixture in which solute particles are not completely dissolved and are visible through naked eyes is called suspension. Number 8, less attraction between solute and solvent make dissolved solution, for example water and plastic particles. Number 9, more interaction between solvent and solute make dissolved solution, for example water and salt. Number 10, the solution in which water is taken as solvent is called aqueous solution, for example solution of sodium chloride in water, ethanol and carbon dioxide dissolved in water. Number 11, the term aqua is a Latin word. Number 12, water covers 2/3 of earth. Number 13, the amount of solute dissolved in is known. Amount of solvent or solution is said to be concentration of solution. Number 14, dilute solution means that there is a relatively small amount of solute in the solvent. Number 15, concentrated solution means that here is a relatively large amount of solute in the solvent. Number 16, the solution that contains maximum amount of dissolved solute is called saturated solution. Number 17, the solution that contains less solute and can still accommodate some more under the same condition is known as unsaturated solution. Number 18, after the addition of enough solute to the solvent, the solute particles settle down at the bottom. Such solution is saturated. Number 19, solubility of a solute is the amount of that solute in grams required to form a saturated solution in 100 grams of solvent at a specific temperature. Chapter number 8, energy and its forms. Number 1, energy is the ability to do work. Number 2, the energy possessed by body due to its motion is called kinetic energy. For example, windmills moves to grind corn has kinetic energy. Number 3, a moving car has kinetic energy. Number 4, the energy possessed by body due to its position is called potential energy. For example, a stretched catapult has potential energy. Number 5, heat is a form of energy. Number 6, the main source of energy is sun. Number 7, the sound and light is also a form of energy. Number 8, something that flows from the hotter body to the colder body till the temperature of two bodies become equal is called heat. Number 9, in Pakistan, electricity is produced from hydro, thermal and nuclear power plants. Number 10, light can travel in vacuum with a speed of 3 into 10 raised power 8 meter per second. Number 11, nothing can travel faster than light. Number 12, our ears can detect sound in frequency range of 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Number 13, one form of energy can be converted to another form. Number 14, when current passes through heater, it converts electrical energy into heat energy. Number 15, when current passes through bulb, it converts electrical energy into light and heat energy. Number 16, tape recorder converts electrical energy into sound energy. Number 17, in battery, chemical energy is changed into electrical energy. Number 18, during the conversion of different forms of energy, the total energy remains constant. It is called conversion of energy. Conservation of energy. Number 19, law of conservation of energy states that total energy of an isolated system always remains constant, can be transformed from one form to another form. Number 20, the loss of energy in any system is called dissipation of energy. Number 21, kinetic energy has been dissipated through friction. Number 22. In radio, electrical energy is converted into sound energy. Number 23. Renewable energy is the energy produced from natural sources like sunlight, wind, rain, tides, and geothermal heat. Number 24. An energy resource that is not replaced or replaced slowly only by nature process are called non-renewable resources such as fossil fuels, oil, natural gas, and coal. Number 25. Food possesses chemical energy. Number 26. 1 to 2 years individual require 1200 kilocalories. Number 27. 4 to 6 year individual requires 600 kilocalories. Number 28. 7 to 10 years require 2000 kilocalories. Number 29. 11 to 12 years individual require 2500 kilocalories. Chapter number 9. Forces and machines. Number 1. There are 6 types of simple machine: pulley, lever, inclined plane, wheel and axle, screw and wedge. Number 2. A pulley is simple machine used to lift objects. 3. Two types of pulley are fixed pulleys, B. Movable pulleys. Number 4. A simple pulley hung on a suitable support with a rope passing its groove. Here pulley is fixed to its position. Such type is called fixed pulley. Number 5. In movable pulley, one end of the rope is fastened with a ridged support. Effort is applied on the other end of the rope and the load which is lifted is attached to the block of pulley. Number 6. A flagpole is an example of fixed pulley. Number 7. With the help of movable pulleys, we can raise double load as compared to fixed pulleys. Number 8. Wheels with teeth around them are called gears. Number 9. A gear is a round wheel which has teeth that mesh with other gear teeth. Number 10. Gear can transmit force to another gear. Number 11. The diameter of a wheel is greater than the diameter of axle. Number 12. Common examples of gears are hand drill, wind-up clocks and bicycle chains. Number 14. Crane is a machine used for moving heavy objects both horizontally and vertically. Number 15. Crane uses pulleys and gear system to raise or lower materials and to move them horizontally. Number 16. Crane ranges in capacity from few hundred kilograms to several hundred tons. Number 17. The bicycle has a system of gears, wheel and pulleys. Chapter number 10. Properties of light. Number 1. The light travels in a straight line which is called rays. Number 2. The speed of light is 3 into 10 raised power 8 meter per second. Number 3. A collection of rays is called beam. Number 4. A beam is represented by a bundle of rays which can be parallel, convergent or divergent. Number 5. Light transmission is the percentage of the incident light that passes through a material like air, water and clear glass are called transparent. Number 6. When light strikes translucent materials, only some of the light passes through them. Examples are frosted glass and some plastic materials. Number 7. Opaque object is neither translucent nor transparent. Number 8. When light passes from opaque objects, none of the light passes through them. Wood, stone and metals are opaque. Number 9. Color is the visual effect that is caused by spectral composition of the light emitted, transmitted or reflected by objects. Number 10. When rays of light traveling in one medium are incident on the boundary of another medium, they bounce back. It is known as reflection of light. Number 11. Reflection enables us to see objects. Number 12. There are two laws of reflection: A. The incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal to the surface all lie in the same plane. Number B. The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Number 13. The laws of reflection were first described by Ibn al-Haytham. Number 14. There are two types of reflection. Number 15. When parallel rays of light strike smooth and shiny surface, most of the rays are reflected with the same angle as that of the angle of incidence. That is called a regular reflection. When parallel rays of the light strike to the rough and irregular surface, then the reflected rays are scattered in different directions, is called diffused or irregular reflection. Number 17. Non-luminous objects, for example moon, can be seen due to irregular reflection. Number 18. The surfaces on which a regular reflection occurs is called smooth surfaces. Examples are plane mirror, still water. Number 19. The surfaces which give diffused reflection are known as rough or irregular surfaces. For example, wall, paper, cloth, cardboard. Number 20. Plane mirror is a mirror which has polished surface with a coating of silver or aluminum on one side. Number 21. Image seems to be as far behind the mirror as object is in front of it. Image is found to be of same size, virtual, upright and literally inverted. Number 22. A pinhole camera works on the principle that light travels in a straight line. Number 23. Pinhole camera is an example box having small hole in the middle of one side and translucent screen at the opposite side of box. Number 24. A small pinhole will give sharp image while large pinhole will give blurred image. Number 25. Pinhole camera image found to be real one inverted upside down. Image has same color that of object. Size of image depends on the position of object. Number 26. Periscope is used to watch the object on other side of the barrier. Number 27. A simple periscope can be constructed by using two plane mirrors at the angle of 45 in a tube. Number 28. In periscope, a virtual upright image is seen. Number 29. Telescope is used to see the distant objects. In reflecting telescope, a concave mirror and plane mirror is used. Number 13. Kaleidoscope containing mirrors which make multiple reflections and so regular pattern can be seen. It consists of a tube about 25 to 30 centimeter with 2 or 3 long thin mirrors equal to the length of tube. For 3 mirrors, they are fixed in the tube at the angle of 60 degree. Number 31. A mirror is an object that reflects light. Number 32. The spherical mirror whose shining surface is curved inwards. Number 33. Concave mirror has the capability to coverage a parallel beam of light falling on it. Number 34. If the object is placed at the center of curvature of a concave mirror, the image formed is a real inverted and of the same size as the object. Number 35. Image formed in the convex mirror is always smaller, upright and virtual. Number 36. Image formed by plane mirror is laterally inverted, virtual and of same size. Number 37. Concave mirror has the capability to converge a parallel beam of light. Number 38. Convex mirror has the capability to diverge a parallel beam of light. Number 39. A microscope is an instrument used to produce a large image. Chapter number 11. Investigating sound. Number 1. The sound is produced by a vibrating body. Number 2. Sound is also a form of energy. Number 3. Sound travels as longitudinal waves. Number 4. Hearing takes place when vibrations of frequencies range from 20 to 20,000 Hz. Number 5. Sound waves cannot pass through vacuum. Number 6. A sound wave is a series of alternate increase and decrease of air pressure. This increase and decrease of air pressure is called compression or rarefaction. Number 17. Longitudinal waves comprises of compression and rarefactions. Number 8. The speed of sound in a given medium is defined as the distance covered by sound in unit time. Number 9. The speed of sound in dry sea level air at a temperature of 0 degrees Celsius is 332 km per second. Number 10. Speed of sound increase when temperature increases. Number 11. Speed of sound at 20 degrees Celsius is 340 meter per second. Number 12. Sound moves faster in solids, liquids than gases. Number 13. Speed of sound in water is 1525 meter per second. Number 14. Speed of sound in iron is 5130 meter per second. Number 15. Human ear has 3 distinct parts. Chapter number 12. Space and satellites. Number 1. Object that revolves around planet is called satellite. Number 2. There are two types of satellite, artificial satellite and natural satellite. Number 3. Natural satellite has asteroids, comets, meteors. Number 4. In astronomy, a celestial body that revolves around a planet is called natural satellite. The best known natural satellite is Earth's moon. Number 5. An object launched into orbit by man is called artificial satellite. It revolves around Earth or other planets. Number 6. The first artificial satellite launched in 1957. Number 7. Artificial satellites play key role in communication, military, intelligence and in the scientific study of Earth. Number 8. Asteroids are rocky bodies of different sizes moves in elliptical orbits. Number 9. There are about 1 lakh asteroids. Number 10. Only Vesta asteroid is seen without telescope. Number 11. Comets are small icy celestial bodies revolving around Sun. Number 12. Halley's Comet is a ball of ice and dust revolving around Sun. Number 13. Halley's Comet is seen from Earth and once about every 76 years. Its next appearance is scheduled to be in 2062. Number 14. Meteors are small solid bodies. Number 15. When meteors enter an Earth atmosphere, it burns with light due to the friction produced due to rapid motions. Number 16. Kinds of meteors. A. Brilliant meteors known as fireballs occur singly and consist of luminous head followed by a tail of light. Number B. Bolids that have been seen to be explode with a sound like thunder. Number C. Phantom meteors are shooting or falling stars. 8 intervals hundreds of meters occur simultaneously and appear from a fixed point. These swarms are called meteor showers. Number 17. In mid of 20th century, there started a space race between the United States of America and the former Union of Soviet Socialist Republic to create a rocket that could reach the space. Number 18. Soviet scientists scored first victory on October 4, 1957 when they launched the first artificial satellite Sputnik 1 into orbit and around the Earth. Number 19. Space history of launching space artificial satellites. Sputnik 1 USSR 1957, Tyrus 1 USA 1960, Telestar 1 USA 1962, Early Bird USA 1956, Explorer 1 USA 1 January 1958, Transit IB USA 1960, Syncom 2 USA 1963. Sputnik 1 was an unmanned launched, while Sputnik 22 carried a dog? Number 21. Geostationary satellite is communication satellite using geostationary objects. Their speed is equal to the revolving speed of Earth. Number 22. Geostationary orbit is exactly above the equator. Number 22. In 1972, United States launched Landsat 1. Number 23. Landsat data is used for applications such as mapping land, managing forested land, estimating crop production, and protecting wildlife. Number 24. Over 300 communication satellites have been launched since 1957. Number 25. Satellites in polar orbits revolve around the Earth over both the north and south poles are called polar satellites. They provide weather information and also map ozone levels. Number 26. Navigational satellites pinpoint the location of objects on Earth. Number 27. Global Positioning System (GPS) is a group of 24 satellites that transmit signals to and from all parts of the world. Number 28. Surveillance satellite is used to monitor military activities. Number 29. Neil Armstrong and Aldrin make first manned moon landing. Number 30. Valentina Tereshkova was first woman in space.
मज़ीद एजुकेशनल एंड जॉब्स अपडेट्स के लिए हमारे चैनल पैगाम सिंध ऑफिशियल को सब्सक्राइब और लाइक करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें। शुक्रिया।